Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. In this video, we are going to take a look into how to draw these type of stairs in one point perspective. So let's get started. Okay, so since we are drawing in one point perspective this time, we are going to be dealing with just a single vanishing point. So I'll just pick out a vanishing point somewhere over here, right? So the first step in drawing stairs in one point perspective is to first kind of define the ground plane of your stairs. So I'm just going to draw something like this, a line over here, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, and then connect the endpoints of my line to the vanishing point. Next, we should draw the back wall of our stairs. So that is going to be the hard limit as to where our stairs should end. So let us say our stairs should be this deep. So from this point, draw a vertical line. It can go beyond your vanishing point. Okay, so from this point again here, just draw a horizontal line to complete our ground plane. Make sure that these lines are perfectly horizontal and vertical. Okay, great. Now just extend this line like this, and now we should kind of decide how high should be our stairs. So over here, let's take it over here, and from this point let us draw a line connecting to the base. So essentially what we have drawn out is a wedge shape, and from this wedge shape we are going to carve out our stairs. So that is the kind of a trick that we are using in drawing stairs in one point perspective. Okay, so there is our wedge. So this is the basic step to drawing stairs in one point perspective. Now comes the height and the depth of our stairs. So we have this back wall here, this vertical line, and on this vertical line we are going to make equal divisions. So what I mean is, so just take the back wall and I'm going to go with 1 centimeter divisions over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And through these points that we have got, we are going to run lines from our vanishing point until it meets the edge of our wedge area. So first take this point over here and run a line from the vanishing point through this division line until it meets our wedge here. So that's the first one. Go ahead and do the same operation for all the points that we have over here. By the way, if you want to learn how to draw stairs in 2-point perspective, I have already made a video on that topic, the link to which is in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. And if you have any like feedbacks, questions, if you need any help in perspective drawing, just let me know in the comment section down below. I will make sure to make a video on that topic. There is going to be some amount of mistakes here like this because I'm not getting my eye right above the drawing. And make sure when you are doing these type of drawings to just be perfect in your all these construction lines, so that it's going to be perfect. Okay, so now we have these points on our wedge line over here. So the next step is to draw perfect verticals from these points. 1, 2, and so on and so forth. Okay, great. So now we have intersection points over here. The next step would be to just observe where these intersection points are. So one set of intersection points are at the base here. The next set of intersection points are on the edge of the wedge here. So take these points which are at the top, which are intersecting with the wedge line, and draw out lines to the line which is on the other side. And once again, make sure that these lines are perfectly horizontal, because whatever mistakes that you make over here, they will be multiplied in perspective. Right, so as you can see here, the points on the wedge line should go to the wedge line. The points which are at the base should go to the base. So just go ahead and do this exercise. Perfect. So I just made a mistake in my last line. So it's not recommended to draw lines to the base here, because we have to extend it a little bit until with the vertical over here. So next step would be to draw verticals from these new intersection points that we have got. So ideally it should look something like this. And again, draw vertical, but make sure to keep these lines a bit light for the time being. As you can see, our stairs is taking shape. It's not that complicated, but yeah, it's fun to play around with perspective. So now from these intersection points that we have got on the wedge, draw lines to the vanishing point until it intersects with the new verticals that we have drawn. Yeah, perfect. Now for the last step, take this intersection point and connect to, and just make sure you are connecting it to the intersection points that we have over here, or just draw horizontal lines until it meets with these intersection points that we had got earlier. Okay, I think so we are good over here. Now we can just take like a darker pencil or a pen, and then just go over the outermost lines and also the lines which are intersecting with the two planes. So I'll just go ahead and do it. Okay, I think this is looking perfect right now. So yeah, I hope you understood something from this video. If you did, please click on the like button, share this video with your like-minded friends, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see all the contents what is mentioned in Scott Robertson's How to Draw book, I have visually translated all the content in my perspective drawing playlist, so make sure to check it out. Okay, until next time, see you everyone. Bye bye, take care.